Today we are going to know basic terminologies we will be using every now and then during our chemistry lessons. Remember, different types of matter have different distinguishing features that we can use to tell them apart. These characteristics are called, first one, physical properties. Physical properties are the properties you can observe using your senses. By looking at it, by touching it, feeling it, and smelling it. These are physical properties. Second type of properties are chemical properties. Chemical properties which describe how the substance reacts or changes into other substances when it goes through a chemical reaction. The example of physical changes are phase changes. For example, you have ice. Melt it, you will get water. You heat it up, you will get steam. It's still the same water. That type of change is known as physical change. What is chemical change? Chemical change you would observe when a chemical reaction takes place. Chemical changes involve breaking and formation of bonds. It means old substances disappear and new substances are formed. Examples of chemical changes are combustion, decomposition, and oxidation. Now, two more things we need to know. Physical and chemical properties may be intensive or extensive. What is intensive properties? Intensive properties are the properties which do not depend on the amount of matter and on size of the matter or weight of the matter. On the other hand, extensive properties. What are extensive properties? Which depend on the quantity of the matter, its size, its weights, its length, its quantity, its amount. That's extensive properties. There are two more things which I would like to draw your attention today. When you investigate something, you come across with two types of data. Either it is qualitative data or it is quantitative data. Qualitative data is the data which is just description, a statement. For example, water is colorless liquid. Sky is blue. Mercury is liquid at room temperature. Sodium and calcium are active metals. That type of information is considered as qualitative data. What is quantitative data? Quantitative data is which contains number. For example, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Atomic number of sodium is 11. You are 15 years old. Every statement which has a number is considered as quantitative data. That's all for the day. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.